Now, in this video, we shall discuss about super heterodyne receiver. Super heterodyne receiver. As the name itself tell you, super heterodyne receiver is a receiver which is based on the process what we call it as super heterodyne or heterodyne process. What do you mean by heterodyne process? You will have some frequency and you will add some more frequency and you will generate some intermediate frequency. This process of generating intermediate frequency by subtracting the RF stage frequency in the local oscillator frequency is what we call it as the process of heterodyne or super heterodyne. So that super heterodyne process is being used in the type of receiver that we are going to discuss. That is why it is called as super heterodyne receiver. Fine. So here also we are going to have only the block diagram description or block diagram explanation. So let us go through the blocks of different blocks of the given super heterodyne receiver. The first what we have, that is antenna. Okay, so just let me, yeah, and first we have antenna, then we go to RF stage. What do you mean by RF stage? A radio frequency stage. What happens here in the radio frequency stage? It helps us to get the desired frequency from the heap of frequencies that are available. Then that is given to the radio frequency stage, or radio frequency amplifier amplifies the signal and it is given to the mixer. The function of this mixer is to take the signals of frequency from the RF stage and take the signals from the local oscillator and mix them up and give out one intermediate frequency. The intermediate frequency is generated like this. We have F0 coming in from local oscillator, we have Fs coming in from RF stage, and we have something called as F0 minus Fs. That is what we call it as intermediate frequency. So this process of generating the intermediate frequency by using the frequency from the RF stage and the local oscillator is what we call it as super heterodyne. And here one more thing that we have to give the importance is the mixer. Okay, let me just say take one more color. Okay, so here the mixer and the local oscillator both put together, they are called as frequency converters. What the main function of them? They convert the frequency from one level to another level. So you will come to know the same thing. Okay, after what is the effect of this frequency converter, you will come to know. I'll explain it in the next diagram or next picture, whichever that I'm going to show you people. So before that, you can just remember this, please remember this. The mixer and local oscillator both put together, they are called as frequency converters. So then coming to the intermediate frequency amplifier, the function of this intermediate frequency amplifier is very simple. The intermediate frequency that is being generated is amplified. It is amplified by using the intermediate frequency amplifier. Then the signals go to the detector. The function of the detector is to recover the original information signal, from the modulated signal, discarding the carrier signal. Then the signals are given to the audio power amplifier. The function of this audio power amplifier is simple. It should give the power amplification for the audio signals, and then it is given to the loudspeaker. The function of the loudspeaker is to produce the original audio signal loudly so that it is audible to the human. So these are the different blocks of the super heterodyne receiver and how they are being explained. Here I am going to use one more image wherein you can understand the different stages little more easily. So what here, this is the signal that comes in the RF stage, I mean once through the antenna to the RF amplifier. Then the function of the RF amplifier is to amplify the signals as it is shown in the figure. Then we have some signals coming from the local oscillator, and these two signals RF signal and the local oscillator signal mix up together, and they form or they give out some intermediate frequency. What it is? Intermediate frequency. So intermediate, the main function of the main idea of this intermediate frequency is the intermediate frequency becomes much more easier for processing than the RF stage frequency. That is the main fund of this intermediate frequency. Then we go to understand the amplified IF carrier. That is what we call IF, in a sense intermediate frequency is being amplified by using the IF amplifier. Then it goes to the detector. The function of the detector is to find out the audio component, however that is being shown in this diagram, and then this is amplified at the amplifier, AF amplifier, I mean audio frequency amplifier, and then it is given to the loudspeaker as already discussed, right? So then we go to understand the answer step by step. Here what we have, the first step, what he says that the receiving antenna, it converts the electromagnetic waves into radio frequency. The function of the receiving antenna is to convert the electromagnetic waves into radio frequency. Then the RF stage, the function of the RF stage. What is the function of the RF stage? RF stage, RF amplifier is used for tuning the radio to the desired frequency. That is the function of the RF amplifier. Then coming down to the frequency converter. What is the function of the frequency converter? The local oscillator and the mixer put together, they are called as frequency converter. What is the function of them? They help in converting the frequency to the required value. Then comes the function of your IF amplifier. What is the function of IF amplifier? IF amplifier, this amplifier provides the gain and stability to the receiver. The IF amplifier provides the gain and stability to the receiver. Then we go to detector. What is a detector? Detector is nothing but demodulator. It is nothing but demodulator. What is the function that is done by the demodulator? It does the demodulation to get the original information signal. To get what? To get the original information signal. It carries out the process that is called as demodulation. Okay, so this is what done by the demodulator. Then we go to understand audio power amplifier. The function of this audio power amplifier is, after demodulation, output is given to this block where the power and amplitude are amplified. The power and amplitude are amplified by using the audio power amplifier. That is the function of the audio power amplifier. Okay, fine. Then we go to understand what is the next block, that is loudspeaker. The function of the loudspeaker is that it reproduces the original sound signals. What it does? It reproduces the original sound signals. So that is what we call it as the last block, what we call it as loudspeaker. All these blocks put together, it becomes super heterodyne receiver.